everybody and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all well. So today what I'm doing is a quick review video of some stamping plates from a company called Ejiubas. Now I've had their plates a few times before and I absolutely love them. They are one of the best that I've ever come across. The detail of these plates is beautiful. They are brilliant to work with. So what I did for you today is I just demonstrated a few pictures from the stamping plates on my nails, just to show you how good the effects are and how well they came out. So here are the plates that I used. So these stamping plates, as I said, they are from Ejiubas. I have had their stamping plates before. This one that I'm using today is the double-sided nature nail stamping plates. They are from amazon.co.uk, but you can also get them from amazon.com, so you can get them in America and all over the place. At the moment they are £12.99 and they do free UK delivery. So I'm just unwrapping these ones here. As you can see, the detail in these stamping plates is absolutely amazing. And I tried my hardest not to show myself in the camera here, so, just so that you could see how beautiful these stamping plates really are. So what I did on each of my nail, I just used a different design. The nail polish that I'm using is just a plain white nail polish that I just got. It's just a cheap one and it works fine with stamping plates. And the stamping kit that I used is actually one that I got from Born Pretty a while back. So I just chose a different design and just placed the design on each of the nails. So what I absolutely adore about these stamping plates is that they are double-sided. So you have got loads and loads of designs to choose from. I just absolutely love that. You get so much for your money with these. It's amazing. The delivery of these plates as well, super fast. They're always well packaged, and because you get film over the top of the plates, there's no damage whatsoever to these stamping plates. They're brilliant. The packaging is excellent. So I would never have any complaints with this company because I think they just provide you with some amazing nail art pieces. I just love them. So to top off this design, I just apply my non-wipe UV gel top coat and cure it in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. I'm just applying my cuticle oil to all of my cuticles. And here is the final result, and I absolutely am in love with these stamping plates. Thank you so much for watching my review video today, guys. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.